Alright fams, welcome back to Vibe with Chelsea. So, oh my god, I am nervous. I haven't done this in a while. I am so nervous. So let me start over. Alright fams, welcome back. I just get my hair done, so I kind of feel pretty, you know. Even though I don't really feel the hairstyle, I'm feeling pretty. So, styled by Jody on the lace. Nobody to my lace but Jody. Styled by Jody on Instagram, and you can go check her out because she's the baddest, period. Anyways, welcome back to Vibe with Chelsea. So I really appreciate the fact that you guys stuck around. I was going through a little minor rough patch, which is over now, and I am back in full force. And I really appreciate the fact that you stick around. I appreciate the fact that you reach out to me, you check up on me, you question the thing, because I'm part of the family. So I really appreciate that. But I am back now. I have on the back, I have videos for now. I have everything I have been asked for. So, as I mentioned on my Instagram, I'm not sure if all of you guys see that. I will explain to you guys in another video why I haven't been posting. I see someone leave some comments, I wanna assume, I wanna ask questions, but I will answer those questions soon. Anyways, in today's video, I'll be doing a Bantu Knots Out hairstyle. This hairstyle is a very quick hairstyle, and if you want to learn the techniques, you definitely have to watch the entire video. This hairstyle can be done within 10 to 15 minutes. It's very quick and simple, but it's very cute. I like it, but it's definitely not for me. It won't fit my face, but you guys can try it. So if you want to see the entire video, please watch, like, comment, and share. If you have watched the video and you have liked it, share up the video. Share it up. Tell a friend to tell a friend, tell your mother, your father, your cousin, your auntie, your sister, your brother. So let's get straight to it. Alright fam, so a short commercial break for everyone that have been asking if my leg is okay from the tattoo video that I posted. Yes, it is okay. It has healed and everything, come off nice and sexy. I love it. I'm going to show you guys, give me a second. Okay, so that's it. It's healed and everything. But anyways, what I want you guys to do for me right now, I want you guys to run over to my girl Go Chrissy Glow YouTube channel and subscribe, show some love, let her know that Baby Chelsea sent you over there. Watch up the videos, leave a like, feel free to leave a comment anytime. I will insert a screenshot of her channel right here. So the channel is Go Chrissy Glow. Please subscribe, share the love, because we are one family and she really deserves it. So again, I am begging you guys, subscribe to Go Chrissy Glow's YouTube channel. Our link will be in the description box down below. Let you know that Baby Chelsea sent you over there, or you just leave a comment and say anything you want. So you can say Chelsea this, Chelsea that. Once you know, make sure you say I miss, I don't know. We'll appreciate it. Wop, 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 wop. Anyways, again, this is another commercial break, as you can see, and it's your girl Chelsea speaking, and I want y'all to run over to Vibe with Sasky Unbothered and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe, share the love, make sure you know say Chelsea send you know. And if you have a YouTube channel and want a shout out, on a DM me on Instagram, feel free to DM me about anything, even if it's not shout out. But I do promos for everyone that's asking. Yes, I do promos. I do both YouTube and Instagram promos, so DM me. Anyways, go and subscribe to my girl YouTube channel, Vibe with Sasky Unbothered. Nice contents, share the love, spam up the comment section, like our video them. No man, I feel nice, I don't know why, but something right. Something like one, something is keeping. Anyway, subscribe. I love you guys. I cannot tell how much I love you guys. I appreciate the love I'm get from one, I'm not telling a lie. Everybody will reach out to me and did ask me about my YouTube channel when some misunderstanding did go on. I'm not sure if everybody aware of that, but most I want to do. And when we take the short break, all I want to reach out to me, I'm really understand now how much you love me. I'm a love on the tear.